Hi there, and welcome back to Honey Bear Ventures. Today we're taking you along for our scenic drive from Lowman, Idaho to Ketchum, Idaho. It's a journey filled with breathtaking views, a surprisingly beautiful RV dump station in Stanley, and of course a few unexpected challenges with our AquaHot plumbing connection. So buckle up and join us for this Idaho adventure. On the road between Lowman and Stanley lies an extensive burn scar from the Wapiti fire. First reported on July 24th, 2024, the Wapiti fire burned for over 3 months, was finally 100% contained on October 31st, 2024, and consumed 129,063 acres. It was determined that this destructive fire was the result of a lightning strike. The drive from Lowman to Stanley is nothing short of spectacular. The winding roads hug the South Fork of the Piatt River, offering panoramic views of crystal clear waters, rugged cliffs, and dense pine forests. The best part of our Class A motorhome is the giant windshield providing unfettered access to the beautiful views. The distance is approximately 60 miles and takes about an hour to drive. Our halfway stop was Stanley, Idaho, a postcard-perfect mountain town nestled beneath the Sawtooth Mountains. But what really caught our attention was the RV dump site located at the ranger station. I know it sounds strange to rave about a dump station, but this was a hidden gem. Spotlessly clean, easy to access, and set against the backdrop of the rugged mountain peaks, it made the chore actually enjoyable. And please take note, Robert is wearing his gloves. I'm just saying. The drive from Stanley to Ketchum is a scenic 60-mile trip south on Highway 75, following the Sawtooth Scenic Byway. This spectacular drive takes about 90 minutes. The route goes over Galena Summit and through the Sawtooth National Recreation Area, offering mountain and open range views.
No, it's double loop. Okay, that works. There.
So I don't know if anybody's ever mentioned that when you live in an RV, it seems like every time you stop, there's something wrong. So we are experiencing that today.
It's okay.
We turned on the water pump and water was spraying out of the AquaHot system. So Robert is removing the 50 amp hose reel.
Well, 50 amp reel.
50 amp reel.
Yeah.
And then he's got to get the fixture so he knows what fixture he has to buy from the hardware store. And of course it's Sunday and it's creeping up on 5 o'clock and it's 12 miles away. So he's kind of under the gun.
Yeah, it's kind of living. It just is what it is. I mean, I'm not upset. It's just, you can't get upset. Otherwise, you might as well just quit doing this. Because it does happen. side off.
Good. So we filled up with water today, and you can see some of that water is now on the ground. We've got 2 weeks in our current boondocking spot, so we're gonna have to find a source for fresh water.
This part just kind of busted off. There's supposed to be a lip around here and it's gone. So this should have been in here, and then you can screw the thing on down and screw it down tight, and then it holds it snug. And it's older. If you look at it, it's older. It's just, so I'm going to get this part, this part, this part. I have this, and this, and then I just need these.
Okay.
Then I should be able to put it all back together again. So simple as that.
Okay, if you're looking for the hardware store when you come to Ketchum, you have to go in the front door and then go down the stairs. The upstairs is the pharmacy. This is what it looks like when we have something break on the RV. Becomes a little chaotic.
I got to cut this off right here.
Okay.
And then I got to put that other 90 on, and then hook that onto here, and then tie this one on. But this one actually looks like it's in really good shape. So.
So he's disassembling what he put together so he can put the 90 on it.
Maybe. Let's see, suckers clamp. They don't want to let go.
So this is a little itty bitty space that Robert is trying to work in. So it is lots of fun. He realized when he pulled it off, he needed 2 90s, and he got 190 and one straight. So that's what he's talking about, just to kind of fill you in a little bit on what happened. But suggestion, if you run into something like this and you're a do-it-yourself kind of person, just bring it all with you and double check all your fittings are exactly the same. Right now we have no ability to use water. We can't use any water at all. So we're just trying to get this fixed up so that we have water for the evening. This is our boondocking spot. We are guess northwest of Ketchum. And it's just a little boondocking spot right off the road. But we got Site 9 and it's really nice. So I'll leave coordinates for this spot and let you know where we're at. It's actually gorgeous. I'll show you around. And big rig friendly. Got the bus in here. Starlink works. And there's a nice little brook down there beyond all those bushes that you see. The only drawback is we're pretty close to the road, so we don't know how that'll go tonight, but should be fine.